this is a messy situation, a messy commoner. This is a common situation, but it's very messy. Okay, guys, come on into court so we can discuss this situation. You write me, booker@bookerlawfirm.com. Your question ends up on the show. Bring you to the court of my public opinion. We're not going to look at this as legal advice because I don't represent you, and I may not have all of the facts that I need. However, I'm going to do the best job that I can with what I have. Without further ado, let's get it crack-a-lacking. Order in the court. They wrote me and they said, what can I do to restrict access of my 9-month-old son to his great-grandmother? Okay, my boyfriend's grandmother, my son's great-grandmother, is threatening to take me to court because I won't allow her to see my child. She sent his picture to 2 guys she's never met, one in Germany and the other in Seattle. She met them on the app. She never asked permission for the guy, so I couldn't do anything about it. But the second guy she started to talk to, I told her a month before she sent that picture to him, I did not want her to send this strange man a picture of my child. And the other reason is because I saw her kiss my son on the mouth one day, and I didn't like that. So I asked her, if he brings his mouth anywhere near your mouth, can you just back away? So yet again, she didn't respect my boundaries. She let him suck on her chin. And I told her again not to do it, and I kicked her out of my son's life. The picture incident could have led to my son getting kidnapped, and the mouth incident could have led my son into the hospital with a horrible sickness. And now she's threatening to take me to court for visitation rights. What can I do to stop this completely? Crazy as hell. Okay. Your ass is nuts, bitch. Okay. Yeah, I am sorry. You know, I try to hold back. And I know YouTube is very particular. And I don't know what I'm going to do. But, baby, they're going to have to start bleeping me out because this hoe is nuts. Okay, bitch? You sound crazy than a motherfucking Betsy bug. That's what we call it in the South. A Betsy bug, bitch. You sound crazy than a motherfucking Betsy. First of all, what can I do to stop this immediately, bitch? Go get a mental health assessment. Okay? Bitch, you is great. I mean, because, first of all, I understand how you feel. I know that you don't want people, you know, kissing on your babies and looking at them. But I'm going to tell you this. I know this sounds crazy, but I promise you sucking more dick than that great-grandmother is sucking. I promise you sucking more dick and kissing more nasty surfaces than that great-grandmother. I hate to say it. If anybody has an STD or anything they shouldn't have, honey, it's you, not her. Because I promise you, she done been to the doctor probably within the last 2 to 3 weeks, especially the last month. We don't know when the last time you done got your stuff checked, your little twat checked, your mouth checked, girl, your eye checked, girl, your ear checked, your eyes checked, girl, your nose checked, girl, your throat checked, okay? Stop playing like that lady is packing disease. She's not packing disease, honey. She's a great-grandparent. If anybody can teach us something about raising children, it's going to be a great-grandparent, baby. She could have been healing your child and taking away his asthma for all you know, putting a little old wives' tale, little witchcraft on the baby, blessing the child, giving it 10 extra lives. You don't know what she was doing with that chin suck while you sit up there being rude and disrespectful. But I'm going to tell you this. Older people get online. They like to get on apps. They do talk to people. Sometimes when they're going through dementia, they do think that these people are their boyfriends, and they're not. But a lot of the times, these people are not trying to kidnap your child. They're trying to kidnap her checkbook and shit. So, you're worried about it, but if the child ain't staying with her, how is the child supposed to be kidnapped? Number one. Number two, do you think they really trying to kidnap your child, or they trying to kidnap her checkbook? You know what they on there talking to her for. You know who she talking to on these apps. Men that are taking every dollar out of her doggone Social Security check and pocketbook and the bank. You know what's going on. So stop trying to overreact. And then she has some sickness. My child could have been in the hospital. Ma'am, you just sound a little crazy. It is 2024. It is no longer 2020 again. And older people suffered by the boatloads due to young people getting them sick. See, young babies get older people sick. Very rare that older people get children sick. Okay, I'm just saying. I'm no medical professional, but I have 3 kids of my own and a little bit of common sense. And ma'am, you sound like you're doing too much. Now, if this woman has had access to your child and she does not believe that you or the child's father are a good fit for the child, she can step in and request certain possession of the child. Or if y'all are fighting over custody, she can intervene so long as she's been in this child's life. It seems as if she's been in this child's life. Let the lady see the child and stop being rude and disrespectful, ma'am. This woman is on her way out. And at the end of the day, God takes care of old people, babies, and fools, okay? The Lord will drag a fool, ma'am. And you acting like a fool, and you need to calm it down. Get over yourself and stop it. Because between you and the older woman, I'm going to put y'all's brains on an x-ray machine and say that yours looks like it has dementia more than hers. Next case, because you sound a little crazy.
Think it's time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm, they got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225.